picking up his clothes, cleaning his, arranging his wardrobe. So it's like I get into fight with him, you know, always like, aren't you ashamed? Why do you, I mean, he's going to kill me for this. What I want to tell all the men around is, your son is watching you and he's growing. You know, always for kids, parents are their inspiration. So in future, your daughter is also going to get married to a family, and will you be able to see her, you know, taking care of the entire family, cleaning the laundry and doing all the work? So I think it's about conditioning your kids. One more thing is that you are conditioning your kids. நீங்க வந்து உங்க wife help பண்ணும்போது your son, your daughter, your son especially is seeing that, he's learning from you. So future when he gets married to in future when he gets married, he's definitely going to help his wife, and he's not going to think it's a woman's job, it's my wife's job. Yeah, so it works in both ways.
Right. Well, you've been talking about your parents, but I'm sure everybody here also wants to know a little bit about your own household. I mean, I'm tempted to ask, tell us a bit about your husband. Does he chip in? I mean, both of you are working, both of you are super busy. What is that equation like?
I think I feel I'm the most luckiest girl to have Vijay in my life. That man, he is amazing. He's wonderful. Like, எனக்கு வந்து expect பண்ணதோட அவ்வளோல expect பண்ண முடியாது நம்மளால. He's really amazing because நான் வந்து இந்த event எடுக்கும்போது I was discussing this with Vijay, and he's like, அம்மு நீயும் லாண்ட்ரியும் சம்மந்தமே இல்லையே, why are you even it was like that. So he is at home we have help, and we have people to take care, but when we go abroad he really helps packing. He's the one who will be packing. He's the one who will be folding clothes, and he is ready to iron clothes for me. He doesn't really think, okay, it's your job, or you know, I think I have the privilege of being a kid always. Got married early, so that privilege is there. Still, he really helps. Even when it comes to his co-sister, his sister, his mother, he really helps. You know, all of them in laundry. He really picks up the clothes from the room, and he goes and keep it in the laundry room or machine. He's ready to do that. He doesn't feel ashamed in doing that.
I think I see him in a completely different light now, and maybe he should have been part of the event telling all the guys out there, guys, you can do it, follow my lead.
So it's not that we are trying to say that men have to do it. At least they should show a support, encouragement. That all women expect, I think. Even, you know, my co-sister, I see her, even though we have help at home, I see her running around the kids and all that. And I always tell her, why can't you be smiling? Just be relaxed. You know, she's like, I have so much work, So women, they're always stressed, and I think the husbands really need to tell them to, you know, breathe. Just be free, chill, it's okay. We are there to support. That's all a women need, at least, I think.
Yeah, a little bit of support from their husbands, which apparently you have a lot of. So I guess you're a lucky girl.
It's like conditioning your kids. So, நீங்க வந்து என்ன பண்றதோ அதான் அவங்க கத்துக்க போறாங்க, and that's what they're going to do to their wife and their family. So show that support to your wife, you know, even in case that you're really busy and adu panna mudiyalana kuda, you know, just encourage them, you know, let them know that we are seeing your effort. How much அவங்க எல்லாம் நமக்கெல்லாம் லைஃப்ல நிறைய கிடைக்கும் compliments, but I don't think our parents, that generation, they don't have that habit of complimenting each other. So I think we should develop that at least.
Alright, well, a lot of interesting insights into Amala's life, and I think we're all working towards even happier households. But I'm going to have all of you think about this a little bit as we bring something special onto the stage, and we're going to leave you all with a bit of a question and something to think about. So we'll have Amala do the honors.